Hello everyone. We have already discussed about the distribution channels. Today we will be discussing in this lecture about personal selling. Personal selling means selling personally. Means face-to-face interaction between the seller and buyer for the purpose of sale. Personal selling means what the seller wants. It is not only this, but the concept of personal selling is also based on customer satisfaction. There are certain features of personal selling. Some of the features we will be discussing over here. One is personal interaction. Personal interaction means that in personal selling, the buyers and sellers have face-to-face interaction, and because of this, both the parties observe each other's actions closely. Means both of them comes to know that what one wants to sell and what one wants to buy. Then two-way communication. In this, the seller gives information about the product, and at the same time the buyer also get a chance to clarify his all doubts about the product. So it is suitable for sale of complex products where the buyer wants to interact with the manufacturer or the seller. Next feature is better response. As you know that the seller is personally dealing with the buyer. Both of them means buyer and seller are face to face in contact with each other. So seller personally explains the utilities of the product to the customers. In this way, a customer is getting a better response from the seller. Relationship. As you know that buyer and seller both are in face to face contact with each other. So better relationship is created between the buyer and the seller, means it improves the relationship between the customer and the seller. Salesperson normally make friendly relations with the customer, and this affects the sale of the product. Better convincing. Personal selling, as you know that it is the most effective form of promotion, because with this the salespersons can convince the buyer by demonstrating the use of the product, that how they can use the product and what are the benefits and utilities of a product, and make changes in the product according to the need of the customer. Now, role of personal selling, we will be talking about role of personal selling, that what is the role of personal selling, means what is its importance to businessman, what is its importance to customers, and what are the importance of personal selling to the society. So let us discuss one by one. Let us discuss about the importance to businessman, that what is the importance of personal selling to businessman. As you know that personal selling is a very important and effective tool, as there is a close relationship between the buyer and the seller, and there is a face-to-face interaction between the buyer and the seller. So let us discuss some of the points on the basis of which we can see that it is very important for a businessman to personal selling means. Effective promotion tool. It is an effective tool to because face-to-face interaction is there and salesman explain the merits of a product to the customer, so it increases the sale of the product. Flexible tool. Personal selling efforts can be changed according to the type of a customer a salesman is attending. Means a salesman mold himself according to the needs and according to the wants of the customers, and this may change the offer in varying purchase situations. Then there is a minimum wastage of efforts as compared to other methods of promotion. Then consumer attention through personal selling. There is a better personal attention as there is a face-to-face interaction between the buyer and the seller. So consumer attention is given much more importance. Then relationship. Personal selling helps to create better relationship and long-lasting relationship between the customer and seller, and due to which the sale gets increased, because customer becomes a regular customer of the buyer, sorry, of the seller. Then personal support. Through personal selling, salesmen create personal support with the customers, and this improves the competitive strength of the organization. Then it is very effective, means personal selling is very effective when a new product comes into the market or when new product is to be launched into the market. As the salesman can explain all the merits, demerits, he can also show the demonstration to the consumer, and he can clarify the customer's doubts by personal selling. So in this way, it is very much effective for the businessman, because personal selling increases the or improves the sales of the business. Now it is important to the customers also. You know that customers are the main link between the manufacturer and the retailer, and personal selling is very important, as customer is the kingpin of the market. So customers should get proper information about the product and they should be satisfied. Now personal selling helps in identifying the needs of the customer, because the salesman helps the customer to discover their needs and wants, and this helps the customers to know how these needs and wants can be satisfied. Latest market information in personal selling, salesman always provides the latest information and about the new products which are available in the market to the consumers, and how these products can be used. All these informations he keeps on giving to the customers. Export advice. Customers also get export advice and guidance in purchasing various goods and services. And personal selling induces our customers to buy products for satisfying their needs. So these were the importance of personal selling to the customers. Now let us move to the importance of personal selling to the society. Personal selling converts latest demand into effective demand, which results in increase in sale and more income. With more income, there will be more products and services, which will be good for the economic growth of the country. Then employment opportunities. Unemployment youth can work as salesmen and they can earn their livelihood. Similarly, they career with job satisfaction and security, personal selling offers. Then salespersons move from one place to another. This promote their travel and tourism industry. So travel and tourism industry is promoted through this personal selling. With the help of personal selling, there can be a uniformity of consumption by supplying standardized products. So in this way, personal selling is helping the society, helping the customers, and helping the businessman. So these were some of the points of personal selling. These were some of the importance of personal selling to the customers. So here we end this chapter. Thank you all of you.